Hey there, financial friends. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down everyday money matters to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling how to change your Wells Fargo credit card due date in 2025. If you're juggling bills and want to align your payments with your payday, this quick guide is for you. Changing your due date can help avoid late fees and keep your finances on track, so let's dive right in. First things first, before you get started, ensure you have a Wells Fargo online account set up. If you don't, download the Wells Fargo app or head to their website to create one. You'll need your username, password, and possibly a two-factor authentication code for security. Step 1. Log in to your Wells Fargo account. Open the app or website, enter your credentials, and verify your identity if prompted. Once you're in, navigate to the dashboard. Step 2. Locate your credit card section. This is usually under Accounts or Credit Cards. Click on the specific card you want to update. Look for options like Account Services or Billing Preferences. That's where the magic happens. Step 3. Find the Due Date Change option. In the Billing section, you should see something labeled Payment Due Date or Change Due Date. Wells Fargo allows you to select from available dates, typically the 1st through the 28th of the month, based on their policies. Step 4. Select your new due date. Choose a date that works best for you, keeping in mind it might need to be at least a few days after your billing cycle ends. Review the changes carefully to avoid any mistakes. Step 5. Submit your request. Hit the Save or Confirm button, and you might get a confirmation email or notification. Remember, changes often take effect in the next billing cycle, so plan accordingly. And that's it. You've successfully updated your Wells Fargo credit card due date. If you run into any issues, like if the option isn't available, reach out to Wells Fargo customer service. They're usually helpful. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. See you in the next video. Word count: 385.